If I were to do this, if I even could do it, I'd need a guarantee. How do I know you can deliver?
You don't, but I can.
The things that you're fearful of, they're nothing. It's all what if thinking. What if it does this? What if it doesn't do the shit you're afraid of? You've wasted fucking time.
And my PC decides to freeze on me. Jeez. However though, I love how we wicked outside and the bodies kept on closing inside that internal buy side liquidity. So I wanna be bearish, right? We've already ran buy side, right? So I wanna see speed below this low here. If we do close with speed below the swing low, then we could actually do a rally and seek sell side. But I don't understand why I can't do anything on this flipping screen. Yo. Yes. That's crazy. That opening range, I wanted to see this CB here offer me resistance and to actually start running for sell side. And the good thing and the good thing about it as well is that we are above the 8:30 open. We are above the 8:30 open and the midnight open. We've ran sell side, buy side, which we had a strong down close candle, so meaning this is gonna be my bullish breaker. Look at that, just right at the main threshold of this bearish breaker, and we started looking for sell side liquidity. So that would have been a nice entry. This would have been a nice entry, but I had like technical issues. Was just a lot of technicalities going on there. But anyway, nonetheless, my initial draw is this relatively close. Remember, the whole morning we were bullish, so I would expect to see us seeking sell side, since every retail trader is thinking, you know what, I'm bullish on Nasdaq. So this would have been a nice entry here. Now we have a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency resting just right below here, just right above there. Now we have this fair value gap coupled with that 8:30 open. Let's see if this can offer us resistance and seek out sell side. Enter my short entry here, then my stop loss will be just above this high here, this down close candle, but this down close candle's high, and my TP will be sell side. Shit. Also, it's not safe, right? But yeah, I'm looking at this fair value. So I'm looking at the high of this imbalance here. So I got stopped out. I think for now I'll just have to remain patient and wait it out. But I just love how we never closed above this internal range buy side. Wow, that was crazy. That was really crazy. That one. I think this will be a nice entry to sell. The reason why is because I want to see this bearish breaker offer me resistance, and my stop loss will be above that high. So meaning I don't want to see us trading above that high. However though, then my TP will be sell side liquidity. But because it's also NFP week, most of the time things might not go as planned, but it's okay. I don't think this is high probability. I don't think it's high probability. But let's wait it out and see. Because I just think that price can allow us to trade back into this swing low and this relative equal lows. I think for me, if it really wants to like continue rallying higher, this is just too smooth for me. Like this is just smooth liquidity. So I don't think that the algorithm will just let this kind of liquidity just resting just like that. So now on the 15 minutes time frame, we also have this fair value gap as well, which is now an inversion fair value gap. So I would really like to see price hold. I would really like to see it not allowing it to continue trading higher, right? For me, I just think there's just nice liquidity like resting below there, so I think price could actually run for sell side. So we've just entered our macro, which is 950 1010 macro. I'd like to see them using the macro to rally lower. So that means I want to see these fair value gaps being treated as inversion levels if I am really bearish. On my first entry, I got stopped out because I wanted it to actually use this imbalance instead, coupled with that 880 open, but and my stop loss was above the high of this down close candle here, which was just right above there. So my first trade got stopped out, so if I get stopped out again, I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm not gonna be trading. So if I do get stopped out again, I'm out of the trade. But because it's NFP week as well, the market used to like move in an abnormal kind of way, you know. So because I'm still above the midnight open, I think I still have a chance. I think I still have a chance to like seek out sell side. So I'm just gonna be patient. But if I am stopped out, I'm just gonna call it a day for today. Now, if we could only just close below this swing low here with speed. I would love to see that. I would love to see that. Why? Because we've already taken out the short-term high. So when I see us trading the short-term low with speed and closing above, below the swing low, right? So that means I can still, when I see this bearish breaker offer me support, resistance, and seeking sell side. I think I'll take another entry if only we close above below this low here and with speed. I think that retracement, I'll trade the inversion favorably there. But now I'm trading the macro. Yeah, this is something that I want to see, but I want to see us closing below that swing low. When it fails to do that, it's kind of like telling me that it's not yet willing to trade low, so I should be, cautious. But this is something that I want to see. This is something I like to see. Now we have this fair value gap as well. We closed below that fair value, which is now my inversion fair value gap. So any retracement higher would be another entry for me. I have this inversion level and this one as well. Let's go. You will always encounter losses, but just always know that losses always come with trading always comes with losses, and you always have to accept those losses. Just know that losses will always be there, and just be confident and just do your thing. So now I'm looking at this fair value gap now. Now if we do trade back into this way, but I would prefer the upper half of this gap being left open, or the entire gap left open. That would really confirm that we are in a bearish market. I should expect a bearish order flow. So for this, I'm just gonna limit my I'm just gonna trail my stops. I'm just gonna put it just right above this bearish breaker here. Let's go. I got stopped out the first time. I think I had technical issues, man. I couldn't focus. I had technical issues, but right now I'm okay. I don't know why was my PC glitching and all that. But it's okay. For me, those relatively lows were just too clean for me. I think we could actually run for them. So if we do trade back into this fair value gap, I don't want to see us trading above the upper half of it. I want to see the upper half left open. 1, 2, 3, go. I've been having also issues with electricity, man. I've been having, we have been faced. Nice, nice, nice. So if I, you know, that's it. I wanna see us closing below this lows here, and I just love how we left this gap open. That confirms that we're in a strong bearish order flow. As I was saying, let me just remove this. Okay. As I was saying, I'm having I'm having an issue here because now we have a problem with load shedding. Most of the times we don't have electricity, so it becomes a problem. So I might have issues. Some days I might not be able to stream live, and some days I might have take time uploading on YouTube. But nonetheless, let's make money. That's it. That's it. I'm just gonna put my stop loss above this bearish order. Order block. But I think we're gonna hit TP. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for that. TP hit. And I'm done for the day. But I think we could still rally lower though. I think we could still trade lower. Anyway, I love that. Like I said, right? Like these lows were just too smooth for me. Like everyone has been making money. Everyone has been bullish. Everyone is like, nah, I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. This was beautiful. This was beautiful. This was beautiful. And pay attention to the fact that we also macros usually, man. Macros, man. Look at that. What time is that? 9:53. Macro. We hit that bearish delivery. Damn it. Beautiful. And I think we could trade back into the new week opening gap. I think we could trade back. I think we could trade back there. I haven't uploaded the first video. I made an analysis on the other video. But I've been having problems with electricity here, so I haven't been able to upload. So I will upload the videos, and just to walk you through my my pre-trading hour and what was my bias and my thought process. But TP hit, I'm done for the day, and what sucks is that I was unable to trade on my live account. I've been having issues here. My PC has been glitching, so I'm using my PC to put on trades. So it's a problem. I had a problem of glitching, but you know, I had one entry was a win and the other one was a loss. But I'm glad, man. My analysis were correct. It's something to be proud about. So let's go. Remember, this is my paper trading account. I'm using a different account to trade. Account history. So that was that first loss. I had a loss of $24. Then my second entry, I managed to cover the $24 and made a $100 profit. But this is just the paper trading account. I was unable to actually enter this trade because my PC was glitching, so I couldn't I had to end the stream as well, which is like crazy. But that's okay, man. That's okay. But I think we could continue rallying and trading back into this new week opening gap. I think we could trade that. We could trade back there. But yeah, man, Monday was a win. Today it's a win as well. Beautiful, beautiful. I think we could trade back into that new week opening gap. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. Remember, it's NFP week as well, so be alert. It's NFP week. I'm just gonna be alert, and I think for now I'm just gonna end the stream early. I wanna fix these technicalities that I had. I wanna see what was the problem. I just wanted to be live while trading and putting on my trades. But anyway, cheers, guys. Cheers. You can clearly see I'm having problems. Like, I don't understand what's going on with my PC today. It's glitching like crazy. But regardless of that, this is just for my journaling. Usually happen during what, the 950 1010 macro. We had a strong heaviness to the downside, to the sell side. So this is kind of some of the things I usually journal, because I feel that they're gonna play a huge. They usually play, macros play a huge role, especially when you understand your narrative and your bias. You know, macros can be a huge, actually they can be a huge help, and they can give you like serious cash, but only if you understand the narrative and the bias. So for today, my bias was, I wanted to run. Let me just go to the 50 minutes time frame. Yeah, I wanted us to run this short-term high. Then after taking out this short-term high, then we could actually run for those relative equal lows. This was just too smooth for me, like way too smooth, like way too smooth. And we were also above the midnight open and the 8:30 open, which is also a confirmation that this is a high probability entry for me. And I love how we also failed to close above that internal range buy side liquidity. However, though, we just wigged outside and tested this premium fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, and which was also at the lower half, of that premium CB fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. So this was my model. We got our entry. I lost the first trade. This was yesterday's trade, and this is today's trade, and I'm done for the day. I want to fix whatever issues that I had during my stream, but nonetheless, I appreciate you, and those who joined the Discord. Join the free Discord, by the way. I made it free Discord where I'll be streaming live every day, so join me as I'll be trading live every day. So cheers for that. The link is down below, and I think that's it for me. I'll end I wanna end the stream early though. I wanna end the stream early. we're gonna end the stream for now. I want to fix whatever issues that I had. I want to have to fix it, but anyway, we will profit, and that's it for me for now. I'll see you tomorrow. So yeah, cheers.